How to manage choices on Happn. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can manage choices on Happn. For that, you'll have to open your Happn application on your mobile device. And once you reach the home page of the Happn, here click on your profile icon next to the bell icon at the top right corner. You will reach to this page. On this page, click on the settings icon at the top of your profile picture. You will reach to this page. Here click on My Data under Personal Data section. Here you will see Manage My Choices option. Click on it. There you can see three options. Click on them and scroll down at the very end you will see the toggle button. You can activate it if you prefer. Similarly, select other options and repeat the same process. In this way, you can manage choices on Happn. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.